analyze, so question came up that say we have understood that this is my nature, and we heard from Guru Maharaj like this. So
Now your nature is not like that. Originally your nature is you are a devotee. First try to understand. A devotee is actually a devotee. But because of association, his consciousness changed. He appears to be non-demoniac, but to some. When you are developing good qualities and surrendering using a willpower, and then he develops all the demoniac quality gradually. When he has got some demoniac quality, he gets rid of by sadhu shastra will follow. Is that clear?
So like apparent nature.
Apparent.
We have some apparent nature now.
Okay, apparent nature. This is temporary. Actually, it is not nature. When you say apparent one, this is all material. Actually, only one nature. Everybody is actually servant of God, but he has forgotten. Because of association, this is I am saying from absolute point of view. In a pure state, everybody is devotee. Everybody is part and parcel of God, and he is supposed to be. Because of his misusing of his independence, he at once becomes little different from God, and he says, I want to independently think. I don't believe, so he's putting, okay, you go to jail and become independent. The jail is this place.
In the meantime, you काम चलाना है.
Kam chalao. And by if his kam chalana is to please Krishna, then according to scripture, then you will be gradually pure, get rid of all those. Yes. This kam chalana could be Krishna consciousness, action in Krishna consciousness, which may not be completely pure bhakti, but towards bhakti.
भगवान बोले भगवद गीता में it is better to follow one's own nature even though imperfectly than to imitate others' nature perfectly.
To imitate other nature perfectly. Yeah, yes.
तो उसका मतलब
What is others' nature?
मतलब जो हमारा गुण कर्म से नहीं है, से अगर ब्राह्मणिकल नेचर नहीं है तो वे आर्टिफिशियली ट्राइंग टू बी ब्राह्मणिकल, तो वैसे भी नहीं हो रहा है और जो कर सकते हैं.
There is nothing to do artificially. What Guru says, what is artificial?
एक जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस है फॉर एवरीबॉडी, लेकिन एक टेम्परेरीली जो नेचर है उसमें
Temporary. This is he misuses either now or before to separate from Krishna, either knowingly or unknowingly. As a matter of fact, he developed this nature.
तो हो गया ना, लेकिन वहाँ जब
जो हो गया तो what is the question?
तो मतलब अपना नेचर फॉलो करते हुए.
This is not your nature. Your nature is to love God. Actually, this is wrong idea. Anything else you are doing because of lust. Because there is some nature to lord over material nature or enjoy. Thinking himself, I am this body.
बेसिक क्वेश्चन ये था भगवान, उनको ओवरकम कैसे करें?
Overcome by surrendering to Krishna.
नेचर करना.
This is not your nature. You are wrongly thinking. You have made your own idea. This is not Krishna is saying like that.
भारी बात हो जाती है करना.
This is serious matter. You are playing devotional service means you are playing with a dagger, very sharp in the dark room. So it is not a cheap thing like that. You take it easily. I am a boy. I think your father will take away the dagger from you because he may cut his throat even himself. So to come to spiritual life means very serious.